tribute of love to Shane Warne. We are shocked by his sudden suspected heart attack. He is the king of spin, was born in Australia in the year 1969 and died on 4th March 2022.
Amazing. Sure, you get close to the ball and you have to make sure the ball hits the pad. Just look at this.
Oh, this spin's big, massive. Middle stump, behind his legs. Andrews just cannot believe it. Look out, England.
He was the first captain of Rajasthan Royals in the IPL 2008 and first captain to lift first edition of IPL trophy in 2008. His death has left all his cricket fans vacuum and sad. May his soul rest in peace.